Hey buddy, Imtiaz here. Want to know if any of your friends have deactivated their Facebook accounts? Here's how you can find them in just a few steps. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and click on friends. You can find this by typing facebook.com/me/friends in your browser as well. Now check the total number of friends displayed by the Facebook. If the number doesn't match the actual profiles listed, it's likely some of your friends have deactivated their accounts. Now scroll down and check your Facebook friends list, and after scrolling for a while you can easily find if any of your friends have already deactivated their accounts or not. For deactivated accounts, Facebook will show them those accounts as a gray text. If you click on that, and you will see some detail over there. So that's it. Now you can keep your friends list clean and updated. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more simple Facebook tips.